Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing my new DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for my vlogging. Yes, we got this weekend and I want to unbox it for you guys. Okay. Excited. Right, so it comes with this. Not sure what this is. I'm sure that's the camera, but and then inside the box okay, I've seen this before on reviews. So this is the cover for the DJI. I love the feel of it. It's quite it's not slippy. What else is in here? Oh, that's it. So in there was the cover. So I want to think this is where the camera is. Okay. This is quite small, isn't it? Let's open this up. Ooh. That's the camera. This is the front. DJI. I don't know why I keep saying DJI. DJI. And the back. So, there's the screen. So that's the back and what it looks like. Let's switch him on already. Okay. English. I need to scan this to activate it. But this is what it looks like. And it looks like it's already sensing. It's not sensing me. It's looking at something. So I need to figure out how to get it to. Okay, so gimbal is locked or disabled, so maybe that's why it's not on me. Okay, so it's closing down. Interesting. So what else is in here? Okay, so this is must be the extension for this. Plugs in. So it's a battery extension. So it acts as a power bank. The battery on this is saying 60% to 55% on this. So I got the creator combo. Okay, so this is the tripod. I've heard of a few people complain that it doesn't extend. This is the maximum you get on the tripod. So it stands about there. But once you've put this on, the battery extender, and then you put the actual camera, it actually makes it a bit longer. And that. So it does make it a bit more longer, but otherwise the main camera is that. To open it, you press here, and it opens, and here, I guess, just unscrew that. Now how it works. It also comes with a microphone. I've seen a lot of people use this. Oh, not sure what this is. Okay, so this is another battery, but it's a smaller one where it attaches. Oh, they're both attached. I'm gonna have to read the instructions to know what this is, but if not, I will put arrows to show what this is and what this is. It's actually a little compact camera. So this is the wind. Oops. So it fits in like this. I'm gonna put it on just for balance. Okay, take that off. And then we've got the charging cable. So it's a USB Type-C on either side. And that's, oh, there's more. Oh, so this is the wide lens. So it attaches to the camera. It should just clip on, it's magnetic. There we go. And then that gives you a wide lens, or wide. Cool. And I think there's something else. Okay, so this is what I've seen a lot of people using. It's also a mic, but it's a small magnetic mic. I don't know how, is it a mic? I'm not sure what this is. But again, I'll put the arrows for you. This is what it looks like, but it's magnetic, that's what I know. So these are the things that you get inside the creator combo. And this is the cover. To clip this, your wide lens goes there, so this is how you keep your camera safe and your things safe. And this is where this mic goes, so it sits there. And then you put your camera in somehow. Ah, there we go. And that should be how it protects it. So that's the cover. So that's the camera. But that's everything you need. Hey, this is post-production me. I forgot to close off this vlog. However, seeing as I've been using this nifty camera on holiday in South Africa for the past 2 weeks, learning how to use it and watching tutorials on how to set it up properly and testing it out so I can bring you the bomb content. So my review is don't buy one, but buy two. It is worth the hype.